Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.53. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return falling between -27.63% and -5.63%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -43.74%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -53.49% and -1.83% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price range between $126.28 and $266.51. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, "Evaluation of UnitedHealth Group stock downgraded after the last trading session." The UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by nearly 0.1% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, dropping from $271.81 to $271.49. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.57%, ranging from a low of $267 to a high of $273.85. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 8.79% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded on the last day rose by 4 million shares, despite the decline in prices. This may indicate an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk expected over the next few days. In total, 21 million shares changed hands for an approximate value of $5,750 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $630.73, while the lowest was $234.67. Currently, the price stands 56.96%, or $359.24, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth is moving into the spotlight after Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a new stake of approximately 5 million shares, triggering a roughly 7% increase in extended trading and a fresh wave of buying interest. The decision to shift some capital from Apple into UnitedHealth is seen as a vote of confidence in the insurer's long-term cash flows and market position, attracting momentum and longer-term value buyers in the near term. However, this uplift comes against a backdrop of significant headline risk. Regulators are probing the company, leadership is undergoing transition, and last year's cyber attack has impacted about 192 million people. Management's recent dividend increase of approximately 5.2% reinforces a shareholder-friendly stance, but litigation, fines, or rising medical cost inflation could exert pressure on earnings. In the short term, expect higher volatility and potential upside as sentiment improves with Berkshire's involvement. Over the long term, Buffett's stake can support the stock if UnitedHealth stabilizes costs and resolves regulatory issues. Conversely, ongoing legal, cost, or cybersecurity liabilities could limit appreciation and increase the risk premium. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned UnitedHealth Group an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UnitedHealth Group a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock an overall buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025. And so far, it has risen by approximately 14.18%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $281.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $256.94. A breakout above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general outlook. Notably, volume increased despite falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average has presented a sell signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 83 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 78 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $261.07. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.85 between its high and low points, which accounts for a change of 2.57%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 2.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate that expectations for the company's future are subdued or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.41. It's wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $274.35. If you do not currently own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $261.07. If this support level holds strong, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Michelle J. Hooper conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 91.791. Overall, insiders purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative assessment of this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from holding to selling since our last evaluation. Upon assessing the volatility and trends from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is inflated. For trading on Friday, August 15th, we anticipate UnitedHealth Group will open lower by approximately 71 cents, starting at $270.78. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.